So we briefly touched on censoring earlier when we saw an example of a patient who had a surgery and then withdrew from the study before the end of the study. And what we could derive from this is that the patient did not have an event in 3 months. Now, it's possible that the patient went on to have an event in Jan 2019, let's say, and earlier we looked at the event of a stroke, but this can be any event. But it's also possible that the patient went on to never have the event at all and just be healthy throughout. So we can capture both these scenarios under this broad umbrella of noticing that the event always happens after the last contact, if it happens at all. And this is called right censoring. And right censoring formally is that the time to the event is only known to exceed a certain value. So if we had our August 2018 here, and we had November 2018 here, then the certain value that the time to event will exceed will be 3 months. So we write this data point as 3 plus. And there are two types of right censoring that we've looked at. The first, in which we had a patient who was censored because our study ended, and this is called the end of study censoring. And the second type, where we had a patient drop out before the end of the study, and this is called loss to follow-up censoring. Now, censoring is a very important concept in survival data and one that's very necessary to understand to be able to build survival models that we'll look at soon.